one, but first I've got to go live to the trading desk. Victor Adair joins me there. Vic, I remember, the show last week, you were starting this coming week, the one we've just been through, long the U.S. dollars and a lot of other currencies, short oil, gold. What are you doing now? What happened during the week?
Mike, the U.S. dollar started the week at its best levels in about 5 months. The Canadian was at a 4-month low. And then the U.S. dollar weakened as the week went by. And actually, from the chart perspective, we had a weekly key reversal down in the U.S. dollar, a weekly key reversal up in the euro currency, gold, Australian dollars, and so on. So clearly the markets were going against me. Some of these positions I'd had on for a couple of months, I began to take them off. I've ended the week. I am out of the currency markets entirely. The crude oil actually continued to work in my favor, my short position there. I'm out of the crude oil position. I'm out of my short position in the stock market. I had a great opportunity to go down, didn't take it. So essentially, I'm on the sidelines, and I have to wonder if maybe this weekly key reversal down on the U.S. dollar was a signal that, the U.S. dollar bull market that I see is maybe having a correction. I am not sure right now, and when I'm not sure, I'm happy to be on the sidelines. And I have to say I was kind of interested in gold. I'm still got a very small short position in gold, but gold market, it's tempting me to get on the long side. But instead of just doing a 180, I'm on the sidelines. I'll think things through. I'll watch it. There was a lot of central bank activity this week, as I know you discussed earlier on the show. That seemed to move the markets around. And for me, this is a good time to say, thanks very much. I'll just sit here and watch and, see what the opportunities are.
I just want to reiterate what you've said, because I think it's a very important point in the broad-based, any investment you're taking. For myself, when the level of uncertainty rises when I get more uncertain, the level of cash rises in my portfolio. It's absolutely directly, because I know I can't call everything. I can't anticipate some untoward changes that you couldn't see coming. There is a lot of manipulation. So I really get where you're coming from. And I hope people note, Victor, as a professional, says, you know what? When I get uncertain, I get to the sidelines till certainty sort of reasserts itself.
Yeah, Mike, when I talk with my son, Drew, every day we talk about trading, what we're doing on the market. We keep reminding each other that it's way more important to have good risk management than to think you've got a good crystal ball.
Yeah, I think another terrific point. I want to come back to gold, because you may have heard Don Violo, and at times very short, but interesting to say he thinks it's entering a series of a period rather of positive seasonality.
Yeah, and so does my longtime friend Ross Clark, who does terrific technical work. He feels as though we had what he calls a springboard alert here this week on gold. It's got my attention. The short position I have on is a very limited risk short position. I can live with that. But if gold gets, I think, maybe above about 360 or so, that make that 1360, then I think gold could move higher.
We'll be here to chronicle it. Vic, go out and have a terrific long weekend.
Thanks, Mike.